Hello, Team YouTube. My name is Irfan, and my YouTube channel name is Deadly Irfan YT. I am working on YouTube since 14 August 2021. Here's my channel link, and I have uploaded 5 videos on my YouTube channel, but unfortunately, my channel has been rejected from monetization's YPP program because of reuse content. Now I want to show you that these all videos on my own creation with my voiceover. Now I want to show you my videos content in my YouTube studio. Here is my videos which is uploaded in my channel. These videos are originally created with myself and with my own voiceover. In these videos, I am not use even single computer generated tone or voice. If I used any music, these videos, it is taken by YouTube Music audio library free, and but it may be a mistake from YouTube team during the checking of my channel that is considering a reuse content. Dear YouTube team, now I am showing how I am editing my content. Now I want to show you the application or software where I am edit my YouTube videos. I'm This is the application which I am using for editing my content. For example, I give you a demo for my content. I choose a video from my gallery. Now I'm editing my videos with my own voice over music given by audio library. Here is the content which I'm used to edit, and here is the music which is from the recorded audio, and this music is from YT Music library. This is the content which I am being used for edit videos. I hope you will again accepted my channel in YouTube partner program and enable my monetizations. Thank you. Key